Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm gonna walk you through here's a guide on how to change payment method for Uber ride. So to get started with the easy process and easy workaround, and now you can easily do that. So the first thing, if you want to change payment, I want to change payment method before booking, here's a quick guide on how you can do that. So the first thing to do is to open the Uber app, then set your destination and choose your ride. Then after that, on the ride request screen, tap your current payment method under the ride option, then select different card, select a different card, PayPal, or another method you've added. Then after that, you have to confirm and request your ride. Then if you want to change payment method during a ride, you can swipe up on the trip information at the bottom of the screen, then tap switch payment method, then choose the new method and confirm that. Then if you want to change method, if you want to change payment method after a ride, so open the Uber app and go to the activities or your trips, then select the trip you want to change and then tap help. Then from there, click change payment method, then pick a new method and save. And that's how you can easily change payment method for Uber ride. Hope you find the video a little bit helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more. Thanks.